Welcome to our channel. My name is Oral Mackenzie, and in this video I would like to share with you how you can apply online for your Canadian visa. You know I like sharing my knowledge with you because I strongly believe that knowledge is power and I want to empower you all. So if it's your first time here, I love for you to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share this video. If you're always wondering how exactly you can save money and do this video is for you. So stay tuned.
Nisha's Salon. Come on in and be pampered.
So the first thing you want to do is to go over to this website www.cic.gc.ca. That's the official website for the Canadian Embassy. And then you're going to select the language that you're best in, or the language that you're most comfortable with. For me, I'm going to select English. So I just click on it. It's going to take you to this website. This is the Canadian Embassy website. What you want to do is to go right here where they have my application. And what you want to do is to click on my application. Before you can apply online, you first have to create an account. So if you have an account already, you can go ahead and sign in. If you don't want to have one, you'd have to create one. So click right here. And if you read right here, it said with your account you can apply, pay your fees, and check your status for some application. You can create and sign into an account using your online banking login, sign-in partner, or a Government of Canada login, GCK. So we're going to work with the GCK. So if you don't have an account as yet, you want to scroll down to right here and click continue to GCK. If you click continue to GCK, it will give you the opportunity to sign with your GCK user ID and password. And if you don't have one, it will give you the opportunity to register. So I'll click continue. And it's going to take you to this page. And all you have to do from here is to click sign up over here if you don't have an account. So I'm going to click sign up. And it will take you to this page. And in your own time, you can read through the terms of condition of use. And then I'm going to click accept. So I click accept right here. And what you want to do is to click continue to create your account. So first you'll enter your username right here. And then you're going to click continue. So I'm just going to enter my username. A username can be anything that you want to choose. And then I'm just going to click continue. And you have to create a password. So I'm just going to put in my password right here now. And then I'm going to click continue. Right here, you're going to create your recovery question and answer and hints. Your security question. So first you select the security question that you want. And the first one I'm going to use is, what was my first pet name? And the recover answer is going to be, and you put in a hint and then you click continue. And if you notice what it said, your GCK sign up complete. So I'm going to click continue. And this is the terms of conditions, and you can read through the terms of condition and then I'm going to click accept. You can go ahead and read through this in your own time. So I'm just going to click accept now. And right here you want to put in your given name. My given name is Oral, and my last name is Mackenzie. The email address, and your language of choice is English, so I'm going to click continue. Right here you're going to create your security questions. So the first security question is, what is my pet name as a child? And I'm going to put, and after you've complete creating your account, it's going to ask you, what would you like to do today? And you can do any one of these. And what I'm going to do is to select visitor visa, study, or work permit. So select that. And right here it will ask you to enter your personal reference code. You won't have a personal reference code as yet because you haven't put in any information into the system as yet. So you won't enter any number here. I do not have a personal reference code. If you don't have a personal reference code, You may answer a series of questions to find out if you are eligible to apply for a visa slash permit, apply for express entry, and begin an online application. So I haven't filled out any information yet, so I don't have a personal reference code number. So I'm just gonna click down here, visa study work permit, to start giving some information to see if I'm eligible for the Canadian visa. So click on it. And now I'm gonna start filling out the form. So what would you like to do in Canada? So you click the drop down arrow and I will click visit. Or you will select the one that is most suitable to you. But bear in mind that the answers that you give will determine if you are eligible for a Canadian visa or not. So I'm going to select visit. How long you plan to stay? Preferable if you choose temporarily less than 6 months. What country issued you your passport? You select the country that issued your passport. In my case, it is going to be Jamaica. What is your current country slash territory of resident? If you are a permanent resident in Canada, you should select Canada. In my case, it's going to be Jamaica. You should select the one that is more suitable to you. Do you have a family member who is Canadian citizens or permanent resident and is 18 years and older? And I'm going to select no for that one. What is your date of birth? And you want to select put in your date of birth. So first you're going to put in the year. So I'm just going to put in some random figures here. You will have to put in your correct date of birth. So let me work with 1985. And you're going to select the month. Let me see which month. I'm going to select July. And select a date. And then you're going to click next. Have you lived in Canada as a permanent resident? And the answer to that will be no. And then I'm going to click next. Are you a lawful permanent resident of the United States with a valid alien registration card, green card? And the answer to that is no. And then I'm going to click next. What is your marital status? And you have to be truthful about this, but for me, I'm going to say select married. Now, if you don't have any ties in your country, 1 out of 10 chances is that um, they might not grant you the visa, because they will say when your stay is finished, you might not want to return to your country. What is your providence or destination? If visiting multiple providences, select the one in which you will be spending most of your time. So you click the drop down arrow right here and select the one. I'm going to work with British Columbia, and then I'm going to click next. This is my result. Based on the information you provide, the result below indicate whether you may be eligible to come to Canada. Visitor visa under 6 months. You are eligible to apply for a visitor visa to travel to Canada. A visitor visa costs $100 Canadian. It permits to travel to Canada by air, car, bus, train, or boat, and it is valid for up to 10 years. Processing times vary depending on the number of applicants currently being processed. And then I'm going to click continue. Visitor visa under 6 months. You are almost there. We are going to ask you a few more questions. Based on your answer, we'll provide you with a personal checklist of all the documents that you will need to submit with your application. Do not submit multiple applications for the same service in an effort to speed up your application. Doing this may result in both applicants being processed and delays the finalization of your application. We do not refund processing process applications. So if you choose to send in more than one application form, instead of that speeding up your process, it will only slow down your process. So I hope you understand it clearly. What you want to do now is to click continue. And what is the main purpose of your visit? So I'll click the drop down arrow and I'm going to select to visit family and friends. You can choose the one that is most appropriate to you. For example, if you're to conduct business or anything like that. So then I'm going to click next. Do you have proof of your relationship with the person who is inviting you to Canada? And I'm going to say yes. Then I'm going to click next. Do you have a job in the country you are currently living? And I will say yes. Do you own business in the country where you are living? And I'm going to select no. Do you depend on someone for financial support? No. Have you traveled to other countries in the previous 10 years? And I will select no. If you select yes, they're going to ask you for your travel history. Then I'm going to click next. Are you accompanying a family member that has status in Canada or has recently been approved to come to Canada? If you're traveling with someone or going to be traveling with somebody, then you want to click yes. In my case, I'm going to click no. So then I'm going to click next. Have you ever committed, been arrested for, being charged with, or convicted for any criminal offense in your country? And I'm going to select no. And then I'm going to click next. Have Have you had medical exam performed by a IRCC authorized panel physician doctor within the last 12 months? That's no. I'm going to click next. Do you want to submit an application for a family member? If you are going to apply for you and your parents or you and your spouse or your children, then you'll want to click yes right here. So one agent will deal with all of your application. If you select no and then you choose to apply for a new application, then more than one person might be processing your applications and one might be ready before the other. So I hope you understand that clearly. So in my case, I'm just going to select no. Then I'm going to click next. Find out if you're eligible to apply. Are you giving someone access to your application? Yes, I will be appointing a representative to apply on my behalf. Yes, I will authorize the IRC to release your application information to other persons. No, I will apply for myself. So in my case, I'm going to select no, and I'm going to click next. There are fees associated with this application. Will you be paying your fees or are you free exempt? No, I have to pay my fees. So I'm going to select yes, I will be paying my application fee. And then I'm going to click next. Are you able to make a digital copy of your documents with a scanner or a camera? Yes, and I'm going to click next. Will you be paying your application fees online? To pay online, you'll need a Visa, MasterCard, or an American Express card. Yes, I will pay mine online. Then I'm going to click next. Now, what you're going to do from here is to review the answers that you have provided. Once you're through reviewing the answers that you have provided, at this point in time, you can click on this pencil icon right here and change anything that you want to change. But for me, I don't have anything that I want to change, so I'm going to click continue. Submitting your application. On the next screen, you will be asked to upload documents for your application. Please do not use your browser navigation button back and forward as they will not work properly within this application. You must log into your own account to submit application. You cannot use other person's account. Step 2. If you select the exit button, your information will be saved and you will return to your account homepage. You can continue application of any time by logging into your account and selecting the e-application link under the in progress selection. And step 3, you will upload the specific documents that you will need. Noted that if your file is bigger than 4 megabytes, you're going to have problems. So ensure that your documents are scanned, and if you have to, you reduce the size of the document so that it don't pass 4 MB. And these are the format that you can upload the documents in. And I will suggest that you use PDF form. I think that's the best one. And then step 4, you'll pay your fee. So I'm going to click continue to see what are the required documents that I will need. So I click continue. And this is my document checklist, what I will need to provide to upload. So first you're going to need to upload this form, the IMA 5257 form. But I'm not going to fill out that form right now. For you, you want to fill out the form and upload it. So to fill out the form, you just click right here and it will open the form for you. What the form look like? Where they have UCI, if you haven't yet ever fill out one of these forms, then you won't have anything to put in the UCI. Where they have I want to be served in English, or you choose a language, and visa requested, you put in, you click the drop down arrow and select visitor visa. I'm not going to go ahead and fill out this form right now. So what you want to do is to come right up here where you have file, save this file on your computer, and then you're going to fill it out on your computer, and then you upload it back to the website. I notice it's open in my browser now. So you have to save it to your computer, fill it out, and then re-upload it back to the site. So these are all the information that you're going to need to put in into this form. It is known as a temporary resident visa form. So fill out that form and upload it. You're going to upload your passport, so you'll scan the passport and upload it. You're going to upload the invitation letter of the person that is inviting you to Canada. And if that person is going to be responsible for your finance, you need to let them state that in the letter. And then you click upload. You're going to need to upload proof of means of your financial support if you're going to be supporting yourself, like your pay advice, your bank statement, and stuff like that. And then you upload it. You're going to need digital photos. You're going to need to upload a digital photo of yourself. And you want to upload like the purpose of travel. So the same purpose. You must submit to prove that you are coming to Canada for a temporary visitor. Example, what can you provide as proof? Your flight ticket department from Canada, the traveling example, like the places you're going to visit, stay, such as hotel booking, proof of medical appointment or whatever. So you have to have the purpose of your travel, and you need to upload that document. If you're applying for a family member, you would require to upload their IMM 5645 form also. So you need to upload to fill out their form and upload it also. The person that you're going to stay with, you'll need to proof of relationship. So if you're going to your mother or your husband, you need to show that she's your mother by uploading your birth certificate. If it's your husband or your wife, then of course you upload your marriage certificate. And you can click on this arrow button here, and it will help you with more information. As it states, birth certificate, an official document naming you as a parent, or a copy of inside back cover of the invitee passport showing that invited parents if applicable. So that's basically what they require. And down here, you have optional documents that you can upload. For example, if you have something that you want to explain, like that they didn't ask for within the form, then you can upload that document here, like a letter from your agent or anything like that. Then you want to upload that document here. And if you have additional letter of explanation, you can upload it here. You can just click on this eye icon here and it can tell you what they mean. You must provide a Schedule 1 declaration form question about your personal history. You will be asked a list of information such as affiliation with organization and any military or government service. So if you serve anywhere in the military or anything like that, then you want to upload that letter that you get from them there. And the application fee is $100 and you will pay online. So after you've uploaded all your documents, you will get a button right here that says submit application. And then you just click on that button and submit your application. And then you will get the option to pay the fee online. And that's basically how you do it. So it's pretty simple. So thank you for making it to the end of this video. And if the information I provide to you was valuable and you learned something, I implore you to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any more of our upcoming video. Hit the like button and share this video. Thank you for watching.